Good morning to everyone. How are you all? I hope all will be well. Today we are going to start again chapter 3 subtraction properties. We will revise again all types of property. First, subtracting 0. I have taken example and I have taken example. Remember, when we subtract when we subtract 0 from a number, we get a same number. Yes, student, we are talking about 0 property. We have 32 number. We will subtract 0 from that number. We get a same number. I told to you my previous lecture. You have 45 toffee and we will subtract 0 from them. Which number we will get? We will get 45. Second, subtracting itself. I have taken that digit and I have taken that example of that digit. Okay, remember, when we subtract a number from itself, we get 0. Yes, student, we are talking about itself property. When we subtract a number from itself, we will get 0. Okay? When we subtract a number from itself, we will get 0. Third one is subtracting properties. Subtracting property of 1. I have taken that number and I have taken that digit. Remember, when we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number just before the given number. Yes, student, we will talk about subtracting 1 properties. You have 32 number. You want to cut one number from that number. what will you get? You will get 31 like this. When we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number just before that the given number. When we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number just before the given number. This is your 3 types of property. You are to keep all property in your mind. Subtract the following. Yes, we will understand simple type of subtraction. I have given that number and I have given that number. 6 on 1 place and 7 on 10's place. We will take turn of 1's place. This is, you have 6 toffee. You want to eat 8 toffee. Can you eat? Yes, you can eat. How many toffee do you have? 3. Here is 7 toffee. You didn't eat anything. You have 7. We will take turn of 100th number. 8 on 1's place, 4 on 10's place and 7 on 100 place. We will take turn of 1's place number. You have 8 toffee. You want to eat 4 toffee. How many toffee do you have? 4. We will take turn of 10's place number. You have 4 toffee. You want to eat 2 toffee. Can you eat? Yes. How many toffee do you have? 2. We will talk about 100 place. You have 7 toffee. You want to eat 3 toffee. How many toffee do you have? 4. This is your simple subtraction without borrow. We are talking about borrow subtraction. I have taken that type digit. I have taken that type digit. Okay, we will write upside. This is your 1's place and that is your 10's place. Ye 1's, 10's and 100. We will talk about 1's place. You have 4 toffee. You want to eat 6 toffee. Can you eat? No. In this condition, we will go near to neighbor. Neighbor have 3 toffee. If we take 1 borrow from them, you have 14 toffee and it has 2 toffee. You have 14 toffee. You want to eat 8 toffee, 6 toffee. Can you eat? Yes. How many toffee do you have? 8. You have 2 toffee. You want to eat 2 toffee. How many toffee do you have? Nothing. 0. We will take turn of 1's place. You have 5 toffee. You want to eat 2 toffee. You can eat? Yes, you can eat easily. How many toffee do you have? 3. We will take turn of 10's place. You have You have 8 toffee. You want to eat 9 toffee. Can you eat? No. In this condition, we will go near to neighbor. We will take 1 borrow from them. You have 18 toffee and it has 3 toffee. You have 18 toffee. You want to eat 9 toffee. Can you eat? Yes. How many toffee do you have? 9. And you have 3 toffee. You want to eat 3 toffee. How many toffee do you have? 0. Got it, student? We are talking about HW. You are to do that work in your notebook. Exercise 2. Subtract the following. You are to do exercise 2 and exercise 3 in your notebook. Writing should be neat and clean. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.